Hello students, welcome to iExamB. My name is Anshul Malik and I am your reasoning mentor. Students, as you already know that your NABARD grade A exam is already in pipeline. So keeping that thing in mind, in today's session, we will be discussing some important questions based on your box puzzle. So let's get started. Before discussing the question, I just want to let you know that iExamB has launched an online course for your NABARD grade A exam. And new batch has already been started from your 1st June 2021. It has video lessons, study notes, practice tests, live session as well as interview guidance. So if you are interested, you can call us at this particular number and you can ask your query. Also, there is 18% off going on all our online courses. All you have to do is just upload your picture of getting jabbed or picture of any of your family member getting jabbed and you will be eligible for this particular offer. So a puzzle is given to you. You have to read the information carefully to answer the given question. So my request to all of you is to read the direction very carefully and we'll solve the puzzle accordingly. So 9 boxes A to I are placed one above the other but not necessarily in the same order. Each box have different brands of footwear and the name of that brand is also given to you. You can read rest of the information and will try to solve the puzzle by selecting the concrete data. Guys, you have to pick the concrete data first in order to fill your table. So I'm drawing a sample table for you so that you can accommodate your 9 boxes and your brand of footwears. Now I'll pick the concrete information first. So it is given in statement number 3 that box E is placed third from the top, right? So if box E is placed third from the top, that means E will be placed at serial number 7. So I'm placing E at 7th position. In statement number 4, it is given that your box B is not placed just above or below to the box E. That means your box B cannot be placed at place number 6 and 8 as the place number 7 is already occupied by E. So I am writing a small hint over there that your box E cannot be placed over here. Also, your box B cannot be placed over here. Now if you read your statement number 5, it is given that box of catwalk is not placed on the top and box of Adidas is not placed on the bottom. That means box of catwalk and Adidas cannot be placed at place number 9 and 1 respectively. So I'm writing catwalk over here because catwalk cannot be placed at serial number 9. Also I'm writing Adidas over here because I know that your Adidas box cannot be placed at place number 1. Now if you read the statement number 2, it is given that there are 3 boxes between box A and box F. Box A is placed above F, right? And your box of Adidas is placed just below the box F. So you need to accommodate these statements in your given table. So it is given that there are 3 boxes between A and F and box A is above F. So if I consider that, if I assume that if A is at 9th position, so there must be 3 boxes between F, right? Between A and F. So if A is at 9, then your F must be on 5th, right? Because there is a gap of 3 boxes and your box of Adidas is just below the box of F. That means your box of Adidas must be over here, right? Second condition is this: if your box A is at 8th number position, then your box F will be at 4th position because we know that there are 3 boxes in between and your box of Adidas is over here, right? Now A cannot be at 7th position, right? Now if A is at 6th position, then your box F will be at 2nd position and box of Adidas is at 1st position, which is not possible. So there are only two cases. Either I can fix A at 9th position or I can fix A at 8th position. So accordingly, I am drawing the two cases. So these are your two cases. This is your case number 1 where A is placed at 9th position and accordingly F is at 5th position and your box of Adidas is at 4th position. And in your second case, your A is at 8th position and accordingly F is at 4th and box of Adidas is at 3rd position. Now it is given that box A does not contain the footwear of Fila. So you can write a small hint that Fila cannot be placed over here. Accordingly, Fila cannot be placed over here in your case number 2. Now it is given to you that 3 boxes are there between the box G and your box B. So you can write a small hint over here that there is a gap of 3 boxes between B and your G, right? Also it is given to you that more than 2 boxes are there between box B and D, which is placed above F. So there is a gap of more than 2 boxes between your B and D. So you can write more than 2, right? Between B and D, and your box D is placed above F. It is not written it is exactly above, but it is written it is placed above F. So we have these 3 hints. First hint is this, that there is a gap of 3 boxes. Second hint is this, and third hint is this. Basis on these 3 hints, we will try to fix the information, right? Now starting with the first condition, there are 3 boxes between B and G. So if I'll try to fix the position of B, I know that I cannot place B from serial number 5 to serial number 9 in our first case. See, from serial number 5 to serial number 9, all the positions are already occupied and we know that B cannot be placed at 6th and 8th position. So we'll try fixing B at 4th position. Now if I'll fix B at 4th position, it is given clearly that footwear of Adidas and Nike are not in the box B. So this place is already occupied by B, so I cannot fix B at 4th position, right? I cannot fix B at 3rd position because there is a gap of 3 boxes between B and G. 1, 2, 3 and G can be placed over here. So this place is already accommodated by E. Now if I can place my B over here, right? So G can be placed over here, right? And we know that there is a gap of more than 2 boxes between B and D, and your D is above F. So if this is the condition, I can place D over here. So my all conditions will get satisfied. Students, you cannot fix B at first position, because if you fix B at first position, then G must be here. But this place is already occupied by F, so you cannot place B over here. Now I'll try placing B in second number case, right? So if I fix B at 9th position, I know that there is a gap of 3 boxes between your B and G. So G must be at 5th position. And then in order to accommodate this condition that D is above F, D must be at 6th position. But this condition fail, that your gap between B and D is more than 2 boxes. So you cannot place B at 9th position. Also, B cannot be placed at 8th, 7th and 6th position. Also, it cannot be placed at 4th and 3rd position as well. So if I'll try fixing B at 5th position, right, and we know that there is a gap of 3 boxes between B and G, right? So I cannot place G above, because if I place G above, then I have to place D at 6th position, because D is above F. So this condition will also get failed. So I have to place G over here, because there is a gap of 3 boxes. Now I can place my D over here in order to satisfy these 3 conditions, right? Guys, you can form more cases, but I am proceeding with these 2 only, right? So let's try with these 2 cases and try to fix all the information. Now you know that footwear of your Adidas and Nike are not in the box B. So you can write a small hint over here that your Nike cannot be placed over here. Accordingly, you can write a small hint in case number 2 that Nike cannot be placed over here. Now your box B is not placed just above or below to the box E, but it is placed above the box I, right? If this is the condition, so in our first case, the only position for I is this one, right, at first number position. And if I'll consider the second case, I can be placed at second or the third place number. So you can write a small hint that I can be placed at position number 3 or 2 in my second case. Now we know that there are 2 boxes between box G and box of catwalk. So if I'll try fixing G and catwalk, so I cannot place catwalk above G. That means in first case at 9th number position, because I cannot place catwalk over here. Now I can place catwalk below G. Let's try fixing that. So I can write catwalk over here, because I know that there is gap of 2 boxes between your box G and catwalk. And if I'll consider your second case, then catwalk must be here, because there is a gap of 2 boxes. Now it is given that box of metro is placed just above the box G. So if this is the case, box of metro will come over here, right? Accordingly, the box of metro will come over here in our second case. Now if you read this condition that less than 3 boxes are there between the box H and C, so you can eliminate your first case, because these are the only 2 positions left for H and C. However, if you try fixing H and C at your case number 2, then you can easily accommodate them. Students, now it is fixed that position of I is this, because there is less than 3 box. So it can be either 2 or 1. So H and C must be over here, right? Now the fight is this, which box is above which box. Now if you read this condition that footwear of Bata is in box C, right, and this position is already occupied by the box of Adidas, that means your box C will be here and your Bata footwear will be here, right? Now you can place your H over here, that is third number position. Now your box of Bata just above the box of Puma is, this is the condition, then Puma is over here, right? Now you know that your box E is placed below the box of Mochi, right? Now if this is the condition, Mochi can be at 9th position, right, or 8th position. So these are the 2 positions where box of mochi can be placed. Now, if you read this condition that only one box is placed between the box of Nike and mochi, then you can fix this condition. How? Let's suppose mochi is over here. So Nike must be at 6th position, but it is already occupied by Bata. So I have to fix mochi over here. If mochi is here, then Nike is over here. Now I cannot place Fila over here. So I can write Fila over here, that is at 1st position, and the rest is Khadim. So I'm writing K over here. So this is your complete arrangement. With the help of this, you can answer any number of questions now. So first question is this, that how many boxes are there between the box of Khadims and the box of Adidas? So you know that your box of Adidas is at 3rd number position and your box of Khadim is at 8th number position. So you can simply say that there are 4 boxes. So option number C is the correct answer. Now your second question is, which box is just above the box of Fila, right? So if this is the place for Fila, then you know that box of Metro is the correct answer. Therefore, correct answer is option number 4. Now next question is, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the arrangement, thus form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? So if you focus on the option, then first option is H, Metro. So H is connected to Metro. Then second option is B, Bata. Third option is D, Khadims. Fourth option is C, Puma. And fifth option is I and Catwalk. So it is clear that option number 5 is odd one out among all, because there is a gap of one box between I and Catwalk. However, no such gap is there between all the options. Now your next question is, which of the following is true with respect to the above arrangement? So if you focus at your option number 4, then you will find that your box of Nike is just above the box C. So you can make from this table. So the correct answer is option number 4. Your question number 5 is this, if we arrange the boxes in alphabetical order from top to bottom, then the position of how many boxes will remain unchanged? So you can do so by writing from A to your G. So I'm writing in alphabetical order from top to bottom. Now you have to look for how many boxes the position will remain unchanged. So if you focus at the 4th position, F is still over at the same position. So the correct answer is option number 4, that is 1. Students, I hope you liked the today's video and thanks for watching iExamB.